Hello, Jake. Are you excited for today's lesson?
Absolutely, Emma. I love exploring new grammar topics.
Great. Today we're going to focus on using gerunds as subjects.
Gerunds? That's when you add ing to a verb, right?
Exactly. Like saying, swimming is fun. It's a way to talk about activities abstractly.
I see. So, swimming is the subject of the sentence?
Yes. And we can use gerunds to express enjoyment or benefits of an activity.
That makes sense. What are some other examples we can use?
We could say, jogging keeps you fit, or reading improves your vocabulary.
So both jogging and reading are also gerunds used as subjects?
Exactly, Jake. Now, let's dive into our dialogue to practice.
Sounds fantastic. What should our dialogue be about?
Let's talk about different activities and their benefits and drawbacks.
Perfect. I'll start. Swimming has many benefits, don't you think?
Definitely. Swimming is a great way to stay fit and healthy.
And it can be a fun activity to do with friends.
Exactly. The enjoyment of being in the water is unmatched.
But there can be a drawback, like having to learn how to swim first.
True. Some people find learning to swim challenging.
What are some other activities with benefits?
How about hiking? Hiking is enjoyable and keeps you fit.
Yes, I love hiking. The nature around is beautiful.
What about the drawback of hiking though?
Well, hiking can be difficult if you're not in shape.
That's a good point. But with practice, anyone can improve their hiking skills.
So, swimming and hiking both need some practice to enjoy fully.
Absolutely, Jake. Practicing any activity can enhance the enjoyment.
What about other activities? Any thoughts on cycling?
Cycling is a fantastic activity. It's fun and improves fitness.
But like swimming, it has its drawbacks, like safety risks.
Yes, that's why it's important to wear safety gear.
What if we include running next? It's another great activity.
Running is wonderful. It offers a lot of benefits for your health.
But I guess the drawback is that it can be hard on your joints.
Very true, Jake. It's key to listen to your body while running.
This is such an interesting conversation. I'm learning a lot.
I'm glad to hear that. Now, let's explain a bit more about gerunds.
Sure. Can you summarize how we use gerunds as subjects?
Of course. We use gerunds as subjects to talk about activities or abstract ideas.
And do they always come first in a sentence?
Yes, they typically come first. Just like in, swimming is fun, or, hiking keeps you active.
Got it. So, reading helps you learn, is another example?
Exactly. And, dancing brings happiness fits too.
So beneficial activities follow this pattern as subjects.
Right. Remember, each gerund reflects the activity's essence.
This really clears it up. Can we get into some vocabulary now?
Certainly. Let's start with the word, activity.
Activity. Like swimming or hiking, right?
Exactly. Examples include reading, eating, and traveling as well.
Activity means any action or task someone does, correct?
Yes. Next, let's look at benefit.
Benefit refers to something good resulting from an action, right?
Correct. For instance, exercising brings health benefits.
And socializing has benefits for mental health too.
Exactly. Now, what about drawback?
Drawback is the downside of something, correct?
Yes, like the drawback of swimming is needing access to water.
Got it. It's important to consider both benefits and drawbacks.
Exactly. Next, let's move on to enjoyment.
Enjoyment means feeling pleasure from something, right?
Yes. Engaging in hobbies brings enjoyment to people's lives.
Like reading a good book brings me a lot of enjoyment.
Definitely. Lastly, we have practice.
Practice is doing something repeatedly to improve, correct?
Exactly. Practicing regularly helps you become better at any skill.
So, if I want to get better at swimming, I should practice.
Exactly, Jake. Let's review what we learned today.
Sure. What should we focus on for the review?
Here are some practice questions for you. What is a gerund?
A gerund is a verb ending in "ing" that acts like a noun, right?
Correct. Can you give me an example of a gerund as a subject?
Jogging is healthy is an example.
Perfect. Now, what is the benefit of swimming?
The benefit of swimming is that it keeps you fit.
Great. And what is one drawback of running?
A drawback of running is that it can hurt your joints.
Nice one. Finally, how can practice help you?
Practice helps you improve at any skill.
Excellent, Jake. You've done very well today.
Thanks, Emma. I really enjoyed the lesson.
I'm glad to hear that. Join us next time as we explore how to use conditionals.
I can't wait. I'm looking forward to learning more.